and we'll find out who our lone survivor is. Drivers, check your seatbelts, shoulder harnesses, helmet straps. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Any problems, raise your hand. All right, with the countdown, everyone, 10 to the word go. Let's hear it. 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're off right now. The Lincoln having a problem backing up, believe it or not. 26 giving him a little shot. So those two flat tires, he doesn't even have it in gear right now. Taking a tough shot for both 58 and 26. Put it in gear, put it in gear. There you go. You didn't have it in gear. Put it in reverse. 26 now battle with 58, giving him a good shot. 53, the wheels barely moving on the back. 26 trying to get it turned around. Again, alternate your shots. 58 now backing up with light contact into car number 26. Two drivers right now at it. Tough break for 53, unable to move anywhere. 58 now giving him a shot. Maybe he'll be able to go forward. Dale, on your time clock. On your time. 26, 58 right now. 26 with a nice front end shot. Dale Cubic. Then out 58. Sean Thompson backing up with light contact. It looks like two and only two right now for the win. Oh, into the guardrail he goes. 58 now lining them up. Dale shut 53 down. Shut him down. 26, 58 right now. Two cars.
He's trying to go somewhere.
58 just catching the side. Sean Thompson, 58, 26. Pounded the front of his car. 58 watching out for the driver's door. 58 backing up Sean Thompson. Moving into the guardrail. He goes. 26 on the clock. 53 is out. There's the rest of the trunk. Most of that hit. 26 trying to get it going. With another hit. Alright, that is it. 58 taking it. Sean Thompson from Elyria. With some pounding hits at the end. 26, Dale Cubic. How about a round of applause for all three drivers out here? Let's hear it for them. Dale just took that hard shot into 53 at the end and knocked himself right out of it. All right, well, Sean Thompson qualifying for the feature event.